It's here for Memamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So now, breaking news be Abasisia, the Deputy Chief of Staff, Abu Jinapo. He reporter Eban said he has been involved in an accident. Answer your better on the subscribing and clicking notification bell no, and no and the dial screen so see we understand latest news be about one sat Ebeka. The American he has been involved in an accident, but the good news is he's alive. He's alive, but I just want us to talk about something because this is not the first time. Accidents no is here. I think baby I no Busunu. Na Busuni a suburb of West Gonja district. Was Savannah region, one of the new regions Abai Anagana Yekreti. Now, the Atiyan said he was actually returning to a year Damango. Say, yeah, farmers day, Munya said there farmers day, you know. You have the National Farmers Day occasion, I think, and then the annual Independence Square was a day. But every region be also a year the Farmers Day district. I'm say districts in so a year. Inti, not just a walk Farmers Day celebration. A year Savannah region ho. What you say, or no war representing Abai because in him say the national one no and a president never call president want to mean call all the regions then it no sano president name crop will be more woman no a year juma never representing no inti the deputy chief of staff when you're not doing say now will call a year Savannah region no now we'll do a year Busunu hono and I say V8 our team one of ties now away him no tie no a pie na tie ne pie no na trese e ma car no a very off the road e ko hye enwremu a pempem nyama senya wa hu senya car no enim asɛ no etiefo enye easy na most often no if you get accidents in V8 most often na I think especially if a head-on collision say we no that like I don't know how to put it, but most often when we have accidents, our V8 no, because what most also say a head-on collision V8 no start send ya no enim ho no edru. Nti answer na be do won chen e wo kan nim no. Na to say bia we escape kra. Eno ne asema a ya nkrofo etai eka. Nti wo de weni to phone pa na wo hwa. Most often when we have accident head-on collision with V8 no. Na wo mo etai enwu. Nti no eno ne asema eba say the front tire no bako empire na say it veered the car off the road and the kopempem nyama na say car nim say yes na nkrofofo na eteka nim ono Samuel Abu Jinapo the driver na the aid say obi a yebeka say personal assistant obi akọ bebi a wo bo na bia wo kọ Savannah region ho obviously na ko be ready aka bibi nti bi bako a wo de enyama ne bebre no be kita na enyama no ono ni aid and the bodyguard nti wo mo ye 4 and na wo mo te kanim na eyewitness bi etwetwe nkomo ane yen etwetwe nkomo na asema eyewitness no okan ne say wo no wo krom ho say wo ye adwuma and na wo ti dede say Charlie accident bi ayeden akoso nti wo mo rashe ye ekọ ho mo rashe say wo mo kọ ho no na trese wo hu say say deputy chief of staff Abu Jinapo na trese wonya accident nti ye ho na trese wo trend say Abu Jinapo me wo eye moto wa ha say obema ya tena so na me de wa kọ hospital na Abu Jinapo katen so da bi I'm okay wo de pension keke emame na ye pension man but eyewitness no say wo hwa na asem na to ne so if you've actually experienced accidents before and you've actually experienced an accident scene before obehu ne say if you are coming right from one obehu say you be shaking obepopo asem ne be to so na obi tell say unya accident no be catch say sanso bet na car mu na yemfa wonko hospital obeka say dabi because still edawso usuro it be sure say no cranty and I work as a dabi one penny and I want in a motor so Emma branch and emfa no enye de enko it no asema edawo na the very mysterious part on this particular story me person me de bremo ne say this is not the first time one no a year Abu Jinapor. If you don't know, the Jinapors, there are two. You was Samuel Abu Jinapor or no or MPP, and now you were John Jinapor or no NDC. John Jinapor na Embra NDC was no so now we deputy minister. Say minister of energy o said then now we deputy minister. Into omu ye nuanom pa omu ye nuanom ba ko ye kese ba ko ye big man e wo MPP ba ko nso e ye big man e wo NDC. It is say nuanom fo e dia mi gidi say NDC o MPP ene be ba so kra wo mo nye de wo mo mbresa. Into no young concern no say the America said this is very mysterious. They say this is not the first time something like this has happened to Abu Jinapor. Just in this year, within a matter of just 3 months, sa kwan na so sa busu no o se dien o se bunu su o se dien no sa busu no kwan na so Abu Jinapor enya accident. You beka say ne car enya accident was sa kwan na so a em say eno so nsema e bai na tre say nipa bi femu wuye. So there's something, we heard something like that. Me be report here e tre mo say asem no nkrofo kan say ase obi ewu ase obi wuye. Sa kwan na so minim wa wo follow me for a very long time. Em say 2 months ago, 3 months ago, if you've been following me for a very long time. Obekaya, I reported on that. Say the deputy chief of staff has been involved in an accident. It be sure say who follow me from that time. Now say what who tie we so a e be be your say story na me repeat that be a different story, but the same road just within 3 months. Wasanso konya accident also. Na minim say omo a womo ji spiritual matters di no beka say we dey bibi techi womo a womo ji ndi so beka say o masa we dey jade wo pesa wo kan na we bibia ntechi. No matter where you stand or how you take this, no. And so tia say we ase de bibi e wo ho. Say wo bi etu kwan wo kwan bi so. Na sa kwan no nko ano nipa ko no just say we nya accident twice. First one he escaped. Second one nso wa escape. I don't know, but also phobia one corner sofo no one bomb pay bi emma no ebia no bi na etechi ebi nso a na eno a esan ana you never know what you see into no and no any efutu a me den mema, but this is very serious. But we thank God say he escaped unhurt. And enyo no kwa won say mostly no accidents be say isia Ghana near ti you find say ebia na nko mo motimu nia wuye. Na sebe tafrache menka se na nko mo sebe tafrache you find say nanka the other people are woni omonam ewuye na wono nko ebia wenwu a Ghana near ti nka crofo de be ya asem enie elections so much as na comments be braba me pese me read because I know what people will be saying on this. If you doubt me, I'll just go into the comments and read for you guys. Ube who the Ghana for ebimo edi assembly ebe play politics. Say oh, omo who say elections are buying to omo percent, omo share say omo ye den omo be kun grofo. Na the me meka ne say ye danyankopon ase say yetse asende. Nanka this will be a big blow for the government. Now, the person read the comments. If you will be, I will see a friend and another upon her or say, my son, I thank Jehovah God for your life and the others as well. They are still on the roads, guys. Be careful. Open your eyes and listen to the Creator of all things, Almighty God, and pray. They lie bad. Thanks. I know Nyasema will be saying lack of culture of maintenance coupled with overspeeding, over drinking are some of our problems in Africa. Does Jinapor as a mere deputy of staff have to enjoy the services of a chauffeur after all? He's very young. Oh, Ghana dear. There's a deputy chief of staff or driver no ena obi kaseti say obi deputy chief of staff sebe na kese wonya driver na hey unimo ebia wokonya driver ni hunti na sebe accident no wanye de we bia na koyo no ankasa na drive ya ebia na accident ka in the first place and ebia na accident ni si ya ebia no wono efemu wuye. Now what's even wrong if a chief of staff and a deputy chief of staff gets a driver? She baby I will free I walk into no longer saying in driving and call a Savannah region ho. And that's what we do was say we could reading some and now we do was say your program the sender wa brew. We'll drive you all the way on no one drive you all the way in Savannah ho. And that's what we do on no bread. Now we bread no down so and one son and Mobeka say hey and I buy ye will be say one corner or koda. That's I say. It's never be what we actually need to think into it and see. Say that be, yes, it never be say no. It actually needs to happen. Say I was say when your driver. Muncha, comment box the motive for me. That's it.